everyone. So we are here to know that what is profile in Salesforce. Okay, so what is profile in Salesforce here? So sales profile is the part of securing and sharing data. So we can control security in Salesforce with the help of object level security, with the help of field level security, and record level security. Okay, so object level security we can control here with the help of profile and permission set, and field level security we can control here also with the help of profile and permission set. And record level security, for this we have here OWD, organization, or I can say here org wide default. Okay, so what we have organization wide default, how will how will go to create this one, so that we will go to discuss in next class. We have OWD, we have roles hierarchy, and we have here sharing rules, and fourth one we have here manual sharing. Okay, object level security, when we are going to discuss about object level security, so what is this? In object level security you are going to control here the way to prevent a user from seeing, creating, editing, or deleting an instance of a particular type of object. Like we need to control here account object, contact object. Object level access allows to hide whole tab and object from the particular user, so that that user don't know that this type of data exists in our application or not. Okay, so we can set object level access with object permission in user profile and permission set. What is profile and permission set, we will discuss on it. Field level security, field level security, a variation of object level access in field level access, in which a user can be prevented from seeing, editing, or deleting the value of a particular field on an object. Okay, field level access allow us to hide sensitive information like the maximum salary in our position object, or a candidate's social security number. Without having to hide the whole object, we can hide that particular field only. Okay, so we will set field level access with the help of profile and permission set. And last one we have record level security. Okay, you have object level access, you have field level access, but after that you need to allow a particular user to view an object, and then you need to restrict the individual object record that they are allowed to see. Okay, for example, record level access allow an interviewer like Rahul to see and edit her own review without exposing the review of everyone else or her team. Okay, so record level access we can control here with the help of OWD, roles, sharing rules, and manual sharing. Okay, let's go on the point that we need to discuss here, that what is profile and what is permission set. Okay, so profile. A profile is a collection of settings and permissions that determine what a user can do in this platform. kind of like a group of Windows network where all of the member of a group have the same folder permission and access to the same software. Okay. Profile can control here object permission. Okay. So object permission, the object the user can view, create, edit or delete in object permission here. Second one we have here field permission. And this field permission we are also going to call this one as a field level security. Okay. So in this we are going to control the object fields the user can view or edit here. And next we are going to control here user permission. So the specific function that user can perform that we are going to control here, like you can see the setup menu or not, you can customize application or not. So we are going to control in this user permission here. Okay. Next we have tab setting. So when we will go to create a tab, so at that time we will also get that this tab will be available for this profile or not. Okay. So from there for one tab we are going to select tab visibility, default on, default off and tab hidden to each profile. Okay. One tab to each profile. And now here in this profile we will get all tab in one place, and from there for any one tab you can select that what access level you need to take here. Okay. Same we have here app setting. So when we have created application, so in that one last option we have here select your user profile. So you are going to select the user profile that this user can access to this application. From this profile we will get the list of all applications, and from there we can select that this application is visible to this user, or we can also make one application as a default one. Okay. After this tab setting we can control here Apex class access. We will create Apex class, and then that Apex class a user can execute or not. So we are going to control here. So in this Apex class access you need to select the Apex class. After that you can only use. After this we have Visual Force page access. So a Visual Force page this user can execute or not, that we are going to select that Visual Force page access here. Page layout. Okay. Page layout, we are going to control here that this user can see which page layout in which object. Okay. We have record type. So we can control the record types, that record types available to this user. Okay. And then we have login hours and login IP range. Okay. So in login hours, we can provide the login hours during which this user can log in this application. And login IP range, we can provide the IP range from which the user can log in into this application. Okay. So profile are typically defined by the user's job function. Okay. But you can have profile for anything that makes sense for your organization. A profile can be assigned to many users, but a user can be assigned to only one profile at a time. Okay. Like object, we have a standard profile, we have custom profile. So in standard profile, if you will go in your application, so you will get a list of standard profile that Salesforce has provided to you. So go into setup, search for profile, or you can go directly under users and you can select the profile. Okay, so we are getting a lengthy list of profile. We have total 38 profile. In that one, 2 profile I've created as custom one. So we have a lengthy list of profile here. In this standard profile, this platform provide the following set of permissions for Salesforce user license. So I'm going to click on Salesforce license and then I'm going to click on as here. So you will get Salesforce user license profile here. Okay, so we have here system admin, we have here standard user, marketing user, contract manager, solution manager, and we have here read only. Okay, standard administration profile is a profile. In that one you will get all permissions. Read only, in this you will get only read only permissions. Standard user, you will get minimum permission for the standard object and no permission you will get for custom object. Okay, you can only use this profile if you want to create. If you want to edit anything, then you need to create a custom profile. So how we will go to create a custom profile, so that will check in the next class. Okay, each of these standard profiles include a default set of permissions for all of the standard object available on the platform. Okay, so I hope that you will get complete information related to profile. Thank you very much, guys.